Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have two Dollar Tree office slash craft room DIYs for you today. So let's just go ahead and get started. Here is what you're going to need. You're going to need this calendar from Dollar Tree. We're going to remove the numbers and date, and we're just going to rip off that paper. I did have to get my scraper tool and scrape it off as well. It wouldn't just rip off. It was on there pretty tight. And now I'm going to take this ivory paint and I'm going to give this 3 coats of ivory paint. You can maybe get away with 2. And now, using these jumbo stickers by Main Street Wall Creations, I'm going to cut out the big pink succulent. You can pick out whichever ones you like. And then I'm just going to place it on and see what it looks like. And now I'm going to cut out the medium-sized succulent. And I'll do the same thing with it and the small succulent. And then we'll rearrange them to figure out how we like them. So now, using this ribbon that In Love Art Shop sent me for free a while ago, I'm just going to place it behind it and see how long I need it, and then glue it down. And I'll place more glue on top of it as well. So this is how the new and improved calendar looks. I want to know down in the comments, what do you think about it? Do you like the succulents and the white background? Is it just too plain? Let me know what you think. Alright guys, let's go ahead and move on to DIY number 2, and we're just going to use one of those little desk signs that they have in like little kid aisle, and we're going to give it 3 coats of ivory chalk paint. So now, using Elephant by Waverly, I'm going to stipple in and dry brush or I'm going to stipple in some dry brush of the elephant. Did I say that right? Oh my goodness. Anyways, and I'm going to do the sides and the top, and I just did a little bit of the back just so if you could see it from the side. And I'm going to take Wicker White by Folk Art, and I was just showing you I was using this little bitty tiny brush just to do little bitty tiny spots all. So this is what the galvanized metal looks like, or faux galvanized metal. But I'm going to go one more step and use some burnt umber and this really stiff brush to just stipple in a little tiny bit in the corners and specifically at the top, but I did go a little farther down just to make this look rusted. But you absolutely do not have to do this. You can just leave it with the regular galvanized metal. I wanted to show you all these stencils that I ordered from Amazon. You get 4 sets and 4 different sizes, and this was only like $3 and something. I'll put it on the screen, I'll have to look, but I just wanted to show you quickly the sizes and shape that you get for such a cheap price. I'll link them down in this description for you guys. And I also wanted to tell you, while we have a second, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell and share on all your social medias, and leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know if you liked my DIYs today. Alright, so all I'm doing is stenciling in Brittany on the Crafts because, you know, it's a nameplate. So obviously I needed to put my name, and why not put my YouTube channel name and the establishment date. And I did end up moving the 2017 over into the middle of the established. So now I'm just showing you that I used the second from the smallest stencil to do the established 2017. And now I'm just going to go over it with ink, Waverly's paint. And I did just want to tell you that I was not sponsored by those stencils. I did pay for those with my own money. I just think that that was such a good deal to get 4 stencil sizes for less than $4. Like I said, I'll have to put the amount up there on the screen. But yeah, so I'm just going to stencil this in, and then this is how it turned out, you guys. I did do the Established 2017 in a pink tea rose by Folk Art. I really hope that you guys will subscribe and turn on your bell, share on all your social medias, and leave me a comment down in the comments section. Goodbye.